Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good evening. Let me present you the second chapter of Mountain Hersey, chapter 66, part 2. Back to Chitang's house. There's no one's there. She came inside. Everything is dark. Well, it's like her father and her stepmother was not there. It be that when they went to work, took her stepmom and stepbrother. There seems to be a strange smells in the air. Right now, Chitang, she become aware, but suddenly she looks really shocked. Well, could it be right now? She is seeing her hands. It's everywhere. And it seems that Chitang, she really looks terrified. Of course, this is really unexpected. My god, why is there so much? Those Han is that right now her father. Why are you back? Didn't you say anything in advance? Her father seems to be surprised seeing Chitang, but Chitang seems to be terrified. Now Chitang, she want to run away from her father. Eliminated that woman. Chitang, right now, she want to run fast, but her father's caught her. Now she's been pinned down on the floor. Her dad said, "Be quiet. Be quiet. Don't make any noise." Chitang, she was really crying hard. Of course, this is really terrifying, seeing her dad acting like this. Now, she's trying to break out. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And do comments and turn on the notification bell to keep you posted on my daily updates. Bye!